So a little moment here in the kitchen. I was having this conversation the other day with my friend who is an architect, and professionals like my friend who work in construction, who are used to seeing houses in a mess and then seeing the possibility and how easy you can flip a home how big of a difference it makes, and how, easy for professionals to work on a home and see the end result, which is amazing. They have that experience of doing it multiple times. And I do think for somebody who isn't used to that, like myself, it can be really jarring to see your home like this. So shout out to everybody who has done a home renovation for the first time and was scared as shit, because it's kind of crazy to just like see all this like demolition and everything is a total mess, you know? And then to have faith and hope and believe that it will be better. It's like a quote I heard about gardening, and I am a gardener. So the quote is that, you know, gardeners are the most hopeful people in the world. And I can probably say that for people who work in construction as well, because you really just have to have faith in the process and have imagination and vision. Otherwise, this could feel very daunting. All right, so here's our half bath. And we're gonna take out the tile, add new tile. This is our like outdoor water spigot, and Dave did the plumbing here. Thinking going like a blue floor tile with some gold fixtures. Who's that man lurking in the dark?
Oh, hey.
So that's just one of the bathrooms. Ordered everything. Hopefully should be here in a week. Fingers crossed. So while Dave was demoing all the kitchen, we also, 2 weeks ago, we ordered all of our kitchen appliances. So we got a new fridge, cooktop, we're getting a double oven, a dishwasher. We ordered everything. And I just got an email yesterday that all of those items are now back ordered, and they don't know when they will be in stock. So we have to figure that out. I think appliance companies are just crushing it right now, and they're just so busy, and it's really hard to find appliances apparently. So now we have to get back on the hunt and hopefully find some new appliances. So wish us luck.
Okay, a little update. I found appliances. I went to a discount showroom place in New Jersey that somebody told me about. And I found none of our appliances are gonna match. Do I care? Not anymore. I'm just happy that we found appliances, and they're coming this week.
I do want to show you my little like office area that we've blocked off with a trash bag. But this is where I work with a giant pizza. And my new Peloton bike, had to put that in there. Just a little landscaping update. I bought some of these grasses. They were like super discounted. So I got a bunch of them and planted them around. You have to plant everything before the ground freezes. Got this nice hydrangea tree as well. Have to figure out where to put that. Also, something else I did was planted over 100 flower bulbs. So in the spring, this whole mound in our yard will just be full of daffodils. and hyacinths and some other things. Also starting to get in a lot of boxes, so I'm going to open some of these. I'm thinking some of this might be lighting fixtures and some of these. Alright, this looks like, wow, this is, I guess, a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but this is a outdoor sconce. It's like farm vibe gooseneck lamp that I'm gonna put on the side of the house. I have 2 of these. I also have to order more sconces to replace the ones that are here that are fine. They're just a little outdated. I think I ordered this from Wayfair or Overstock, can't remember. It's like Christmas, you know? Just open up gifts. A toilet paper holder. I know, very exciting. Do I know where this goes? No. Oh wow. This is our faucet, our kitchen faucet. Oh my God, this thing is huge. Anyway, it's from Kohler. You know what I learned though is actually cheaper if you order Kohler stuff from Wayfair. So I have also ordered stuff straight from Kohler, and you can always find it cheaper on another website, which is always frustrating when you realize that after you just spent some money. Oh, I got some solar powered lights for outside. So I can't wait to check them out. I'm big on reviews. Always have to get a little outdoor light situation. So many more boxes to open. That is a good start for now. All right, it's a small change, but we're taking out the sconce and putting in something new. And there's the after. Just a little home improvement, quick fix with a lot of gratification. Okay, so the next, just gonna give you like a little update about what's going on. The next thing on the list is taking down this wall. So we have some wood here. Basically, we're gonna have one beam right here and then everything else is going. So we have somebody coming in to do that next. And then we are building an IKEA kitchen. So Dave and I are gonna be building the cabinets and then getting a quartz countertop from somewhere else and a butcher block top for the island. I still have to order all the hardware like the pulls and knobs and everything, but I'm having a really hard time deciding on what color I want. And a lot of the lead times are too far away. So I'm trying to find like the perfect item, perfect color with perfect price, and coming at the perfect time, which, you know, wish me luck. I'm optimistic. But anyway, just keeping you guys updated. This is where we are right now and excited for whatever's coming next and excited to show you in our next episode.